Hi, hello, and welcome to Nami's classroom. Now, our channel is with another exciting lecture series on computer architecture. I came to know that many students feel very difficult to understand the concepts of computer architecture in and out of India. So, I thought of launching a lecture series on computer architecture, and this lecture series is divided into 60 sections covering all the important topics under computer architecture. So we know that computer architecture is currently the need of the hour, and this course is of high demand everywhere. So now, what is the importance of computer architecture? First of all, this computer architecture, or we call it as computer architecture and organization (CAO), help us to know the execution of computer instructions at micro level. Secondly, we will study a detailed understand we will be having a detailed understanding of what is memory hierarchy, how ram rom pipelining, all these kind of things exactly works. And thirdly, it helps in program debugging, and also it gives a better understanding of how the computer works. So because of all these reasons, this subject is of great demand everywhere, and many students feels it very difficult to understand the concepts of computer architecture. So I hope this lecture series plays a very important role for you to understand these subjects in a very easy and understandable manner. After all, we know that this computer architecture is a demand of our, and this video series will help you to understand the subject in a better way, and you will also feel very happy and feel free and comfortable in handling the subjects in your future also. Now we'll see how the this lecture series is being divided into 60 sessions. I said this is a lecture series of computer architecture of 60 sessions, so it is being divided into five different modules. So this is your module 1, that is basic structure of a computer system, where you will be going to study about the basic concepts of a computer, what are the components of a computer, how a computer functions, and what are the operations that takes place inside the computer. And you'll also study about something called the MIPS, programming and addressing. And then it is your module 2. In module 2, you'll study about the arithmetic operations. We know that there are mainly four types of arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So you'll study about fixed point multiplication, fixed point representation, as well as floating point representations in your module 2. In your module 3, we will be having a MIPS implementation, how the data path is being done, how the control implementation is done. Then we will study in deep about pipelining, how the data hazards are being handled in computer. All these things we will be studying in the module 3. So, under your module 4, we'll be having a deep understanding of parallelism. What are the challenging features of parallelism? Then we'll study about Flyn's classification model, then about GPU, then multi-threading and the multi-core processors. Under your module 5, we'll be having a detailed understanding of how the memory hierarchy is working. So we'll be studying about primary memory, secondary memory, cache memory, virtual memory, TLBs, DMA, and external memory devices. All those things we'll be covering in the module 5. So this is the basic structure of how the 60 sessions is been organized, and under each and every module we'll be having a set of sessions that will be shown in the next slide. So under your module 1, we can see it is overview and instructions, and it is having 13 modules. And under your module 2, we'll be having 13 sections. Under the module 3, we'll be having 12 sessions. So each and every session will be giving you a deeper understanding of each and every topic, so that you will also feel comfortable and you will feel happy in learning the computer architecture. You will feel very easy to handle the subjects, and you will also feel very happy in sharing the uh, concepts of each and every topic when you understand the topic in a better way. So this is how the modules has been divided into different sessions. And about your unit 5 and unit 4 and unit 5, we'll be having 9 sessions under module 5, sorry, module 4, and 13 sessions under module 5. So totally we will be covering 60 sessions. So once we complete 60 sessions, you will be able to be thorough with the uh, concepts in computer architecture. And I hope these sessions or this lecture series will help you in providing a better understanding of this subject in a better way. And one thing I forgot to tell you that this is a test book that we are going to follow, and you can browse this test book, or I'll give the link in which you can download the test book in the description under this video. So you can download the test book. So this test book is one of the standard test book that we usually use for taking computer architecture. So you can also go with this test book. First one, David A. Peterson and John L. Hennessy. This test book is a very good test book for your understanding on computer architecture. So I hope this video or this lecture series is going to help you in a better way for the understanding of computer architecture. I hope you are very eager to start the course on computer architecture. In the next video, we will see the introduction to computer architecture. So the link for this particular session, that is session 1, will be given in the description under the YouTube, under this video. So happy learning, and continue watching this channel. Kindly subscribe and like the channel so that you will also get notifications when I upload the videos. So this is totally a 60 session video. So when you complete the 60 sessions, you will be able to understand, and you will be able to have a better understanding of computer architecture in a better way. So I hope you will feel happy in starting to learn about the computer architecture. So click the link in the description box for the next video, that is introduction to computer architecture. Happy learning.